I put the ceiling fan up yesterday. Oh. Things are freezing. Maybe it needs to be spun like this. I'm gonna try to kick it. Dang it! Dang it! I don't know if there's anything out here that I need. Dang it! I'll be back. Uh-oh. Oh. I don't know what it looks like up there. Icy sprit. I already broke 2 blades off on accident yesterday. Well, one wasn't intentional. Oh. That's it. Jeez! Jesus, that was cheap. Oh, that was not cool. Oh. Oh, wow. Works just like nothing ever happened. Now there are some parts I want to keep out of it. The capacitor, screws, definitely. They're not rusted by summertime. Yeah, these are cheap. Yeah, this snapped easily. See, dang, they are snapping. Oh my god, this is just cheap. Do not buy. Cheap. See it. Oh, let's rip the blade out. This is just cheap. It broke again. How's the window not broken yet? What happened when I do? That did absolutely nothing. It's just the window's a little loose. Oops. Oh, I guess I did add a crack.
Yeah, whatever. Other than that,